So we have a polygon shaped like an L, and its original perimeter is 10, and I was able to figure that out because I have 2 units here, 1 here, 1 here. So I'm just kind of going through and marking with tick marks all the spots I need to count in order to find the perimeter. When I do that, I get a perimeter of 10 units. And we had to draw a scaled copy in a previous problem that has 30 units in total for going all the way around. So what we're supposed to figure out is what the scale factor is, and then explain how we know. So if we start with an original one of 10, and we want to multiply that by our scale factor to get 30, what we're figuring out is what goes in this spot right here. And the answer is 3. Because we made it bigger, we know our scale factor is going to be bigger than 1. And to get from 10 to 30, you have to multiply it by 3. So our scale factor is 3.